I know there are so many people who would love to come to the United States through employment or work visas, but they don't know exactly how to go about it. They don't even know what a work visa is or the different types of work visas that are available, so they can know what they qualify for. That is why I have decided to make a video talking about what a work visa is, the different types of work visas. Hello and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gina, and if this is your first time here, I appreciate you for coming to watch a video. If you are always here, thank you so much for coming back. You are wonderful and amazing. Yes, let's get straight to the point. I know that a lot of you, if not a lot of you, many of you would love to come to the US through employment, but you don't even know how to do it. Personally, I have received messages from people telling me things like, Gina, I am a cleaner. Can you get a cleaning job in the US? Gina, I am a nurse. Can I get a nursing job in the US? Gina, I am a mechanic. Can I get a mechanic job in the US? And I have gotten comments as far as, Gina, I'm a hairdresser. Can I get a hairdressing job in the US? The list goes on and on and on. But I have decided to make a video today just talking about this whole thing because I want you to have an understanding of what you are getting yourself into, right? If you end up going for a work visa, I want you to know what options are available to you. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to divide the video. The first part, which is this video, is going to be what is a work visa, and then I'm going to talk about the 10 types of work visas, and then the next part of the video is going to be companies that are hiring through a work visa, or just companies that are willing to sponsor your work visa. That's going to be part 2 of the video. So after watching this one, watch part 2 so you know the companies that are hiring. Let's jump straight into the video. Well, I mean, we've been in the video the whole time. All right, first things first, let's get the definition out of the way. What is a work visa, or what is an employment visa? Let's read it. A work visa is a type of employment permit that gives someone permission to take a job in a different country. If you are a foreign national interested in working in the US, you need to apply for and obtain a work visa. Now you know what a work visa is. Now, what types of work visas are there? Because I'm pretty sure that there's not only one type of work visa, because that will make it very difficult for all the amazing, talented people who want to move to the US, right? So let's start with the first one here, which is the most common one. It is the H-1B Specialty Occupation Visa. This type of visa is basically available to people from other countries who work in specialty occupations like computer science or engineering. Because this visa type is so high in demand, there is competition and there's a limited number of visas that are given out on a yearly basis. If you are like in an IT field, if you are into building stuff, building cars, building planes, and you want to do a specific job and it is in the US, you might as well go for it. This is the type of visa for you. Make sure that you sell yourself well. The next type of visa is the L1 visa. This visa is available for people from foreign countries who own businesses. Like if you're running a successful business in your country and it's yielding income and you want to extend it into the land of America, this is the right visa for you, the L1 visa. The third type of visa is the O1 visa. One thing that will make you to be able to get this visa is your ability to showcase that extraordinary talent of yours, right? Maybe if you're a writer, if you can show that you've written a book or several books. If you're an artist, if you can show some pictures of your work, they might give you a visa for your work. The E1 visa allows people from certain countries to visit the US to carry on trade activities. So if you're a trader, you like to trade, you're an investor, all those things, this is a visa for you. I notice a lot of people love to trade on Bitcoin. A lot of people are highly educated on Bitcoin. That is one of the things that could push you to get a visa like this, to come here and explore more opportunities. The next type of visa is a TN visa, which was created by the North American Free Trade Agreement. It's specifically intended for Mexican or Canadian citizens who want to come to the US to work for an employer. The sixth type of visa is the Australian Professional Specialty Visa. Basically, this visa applies to foreign nationals from Australia. The next type of visa is a Seasonal Agricultural Work Visa. This visa is also known as the H2A, and it is available for foreign workers who want to come to the US to work on a temporary or seasonal basis. The next type of visa here is the EB1 First Preference Visa. This visa is actually very special. There are 3 ways that you can apply and qualify for this visa. The first way is extraordinary ability. Like if you have a super talent, most people who have these talents are usually in these areas like athletics, business, arts, sciences, and all of those things. Remember when I talked about being able to draw and showing your talents? It's almost the same thing. The second way that you can qualify for this visa is through outstanding professors and researchers. If you have been recognized in places, in important places, and you are currently doing something useful like researching or teaching, anything, you can qualify for this visa. Finally, the third way to obtain this visa is certain multinational manager or executive. So if you're like an executive, a manager in something, then you may be able to qualify for this visa. The ninth type of visa is the EB2 Second Preference Visa. How can you qualify for this visa? You can if you have an advanced degree or exceptional abilities in your field. If you have an advanced degree, you can show documentation to earn this visa, such as an official academic transcript. To qualify for an EB2 visa for exceptional ability, the US requires you to meet certain criteria by submitting documentation, which may include official academic record, letters from employers documenting at least 10 years of full-time experience, license or certification, evidence of a salary that demonstrates your exceptional ability, membership in a professional association, recognition for your achievements and contributions to your field. The final type of visa is the EB3 Third Preference. There are 3 types of employees eligible for this visa, which include skilled workers, professionals, and unskilled workers. Who is a skilled worker? A skilled worker is someone who has at least 2 years of experience and meet the educational or experience requirement in their position. Professionals are basically professionals in their field, which means they have at least a bachelor's degree or equivalent. For unskilled workers, you're required to demonstrate your ability to perform the labor expected for the position. Alright, so it has been a lot of vocabularies, a lot of reading, but it's very important for you to know this information because a lot of people always ask, Gina, I want to come to the US to work, this, that. I hope this really helped clarify the options that are available to you. If you still have any questions after watching this video, please leave those questions in the comments. Like I said, there's going to be a part 2 just talking about companies that are willing to hire you and sponsor a work visa for you. Alright, that being said, that is the end of this video. I hope you learned something because I absolutely did. I learned a lot in this video, honestly. Some of these things I didn't even know like 100%, but talking about it has really helped me learn. I hope you subscribe, like, comment, share this video with somebody. Even if you are in the US, share this video with somebody. They might gain something from it. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any videos I upload. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.